Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up bulk redirects in Cloudflare. To begin, open your Cloudflare dashboard and go to the Domains Overview area for your account. This is the main starting point where you can manage settings related to your websites and domain services. If you have access to multiple domains, make sure you are in the correct account and viewing the right domain section before continuing. Taking a moment to confirm that now can help prevent mistakes later. Once you are on the Overview page, look to the navigation menu on the left side of the screen and scroll down. Cloudflare includes a wide range of tools in this sidebar, so depending on your screen size, the option you need may not be visible immediately. Scrolling carefully will help you locate the correct section without missing it. As you move down the left navigation, click on Delivery and Performance. This section contains tools related to how traffic and content are handled, including redirect features. If you are new to Cloudflare, it may help to know that this area groups together options that affect how visitors reach the final destination of your web content. Inside that section, click on Bulk Redirects. This is the area used to create and manage redirect lists at scale. Bulk redirects are especially useful when you need to send multiple old URLs to new ones efficiently, rather than creating each redirect one at a time. Next, click on Create Bulk Redirect List. This starts the setup process for a new redirect list. Think of this list as a container that will hold the redirects you plan to manage together. You will then be asked to enter a name. Type in a sample name for the bulk redirect list. It's a good idea to choose a name that is clear and easy to recognize later, especially if you expect to create more than one list in the future. After that, enter a sample description in the description field. This helps provide context for what the list is for. A short but meaningful description can make future maintenance much easier, particularly if multiple team members work in the account. When both fields are filled in, click Next and follow the on-screen procedure. Cloudflare will guide you through the remaining setup process from there. As you continue, read each prompt carefully so your redirect list is configured the way you intend. That's it for setting up bulk redirects in Cloudflare. By following these steps carefully, you'll be ready to organize and manage redirects more efficiently within your account.